Welcome to today's video where we're going to be looking at the functions of left, mid and right within Excel. Starting out, we have this hello up here in the cell B1, and we're going to look at this and how all these different functions can work to get different parts of this as we need them. Starting out with the left, then we're going to click into the cell below left and we're going to click equals and then the left with the open brackets. We can see that this now gives us two arguments that we need to insert, the text and the number of characters. So if we click onto cell B1, we're then going to press the comma, and then what it's asking us now is for the amount of characters from the left of this that we want to bring back or at least return. So if we start out say 3, so we want the H, the E and the L, and then we close the bracket. We can see that that now brings back the H, the E and the L for us, and if at any point we need to change that, we can always just go back and change that formula like so to give us either the 2 or the 3 of what we're looking for. So we can see within the mid that this has 3 arguments. So we have the text, the start number and the number of characters that it wants to do. So if we're to say that starting out the first argument is the text, we'll click into the hello, which gives us a cell B1. Press the comma, we can see that that's now moved on to the next one. So the next argument is the start number. If we to say we want to start on the E, so we want to start on the second number, and then we can press the comma again, and the number of characters that we want to move along. So if we say we want the E, the L and the L, so we want 3 characters in total, and we can close the brackets, press enter, and we can see that that returns the middle of that particular string for us. And finishing off on the right, then we can go equals right. And once again with this function then it works very similar to the left, but this time it works in reverse, so from the O, the L and so on and so on. So we can click, so we have the right and the open brackets, and we can see that we have 2 arguments again. So we want the text and the number of characters. So the text that we're going to select is B1 with a comma, and the number of characters that we're going to use, we'll go for the O, the L and the L again. So we'll press 3, close brackets, and we can see that that returns for us the 3 characters there, working backwards from O. So O, L, L to give us the right. Hopefully that helps there. Thanks a lot for watching, and if this does help you in any way, let us know how it helped you, and we hope to see you again.